Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in our guest bedroom. So welcome to our guest bedroom. You have not seen this space before because we rearranged some things on the main floor, and now I have my desk here. So you're actually sitting on my desk at the window, and this has become my favorite spot to sit and work on business and budget and finance and all those things that I need a little quiet space to work on. And on days like today, when my husband and my daughter are resting and napping downstairs, I can sneak away up here and take care of a few things. And I will be doing a separate video coming up where I walk you through this whole guest bedroom and home office space and show you how that has all evolved. But today I'm here to share with you a visit I had the other day with my friend Sarah. She lives in the town over, so it's not too far of a drive for us to visit. And my daughter had a day off school a few weeks ago, so it was a perfect day for us to head over and visit and have one of our plan and play dates. So let me share with you how our day went. Adelina and I are in the car, we're all buckled up, and we're getting ready to go visit our friends Sara and Sylvia. So I will link Sarah's channel below called Silver Lining, and we're just gonna have a fun plan and play day. So thankfully Sarah's daughter Sylvia is pretty close in age to Adelina. Adelina has a day off of school today, so we're gonna go so that they can play and Sarah and I can work on brainstorming and just visiting and kind of catching up and working on some plans. And she's cold. It's cold today. What is it? 37 degrees. So we're going to work on some plans for some future collab videos and things we have in store on each of our channels. So stay tuned for that. Okay, here we are at Sara and Sylvia's house. All right. How are you, Sylvia? Good. Once the girls were settled and busy playing, Sara and I headed to her home office space so we could each get out our planners and start looking ahead at the next several weeks. When we were meeting, it was the middle of January, and February 6th, Jordan Essentials came out with its new spring and summer catalog. So we had different ideas and did some brainstorming about how to share the new products, both on our private Facebook groups, and we each have a YouTube channel as well. So it's nice to get together and just think about all of the plans we wanted to have in place coming up in the spring months. And of course, we had some interruptions from time to time from the girls, and eventually they were ready for some lunch. So we wrapped things up for the morning and took a lunch break. After some lunch, the girls were ready to get back to playing, so we continued with our brainstorming and planning session and got quite a bit done for the next several months. And this is what I love about having a direct sales company and a bath and body company with Jordan Essentials, is that it allows me to be flexible, work from home, make it fit our schedule. Even during the pandemic this last year, Sara and I both have managed to grow our Jordan Essentials businesses despite having husband's schedules changing at work and kids' school schedules changing and flexing, and it's been really nice to know that this business could just fit in around the times I had available throughout each week. But eventually it was time for us to head home, so the girls helped us get busy cleaning up.
Okay, we are just getting things wrapped up and we're getting ready to clean up a little bit. So the girls have decided to help and we're gonna get it done lickety-split.
So that was our fun plan and play date a few weeks ago with Sarah and Sylvia, and we really had a great time. It was so nice to be together and get to catch up and see one another. Sarah and I have continued to plan events like this over the last year and a half or so, and her friendship has really brought a lot to my life. And that's one of the things I think I'm most grateful for with my Jordan Essentials business is that over the years it's really been such a flexible, easy business to work, and at the same time it's brought me so many good friendships. It's allowed me to grow as a person, and it's really brought a lot of good benefits to our family life as well. When I met Sarah, she was looking for some kind of direct sales company she could join so that she could stay home with her youngest daughter before she goes into kindergarten this year. And also just knew she wanted something that would be made in America and healthy skincare products. She was looking for some healthy makeup as well. And so it was very serendipitous when we met. We were both doing a vendor event at our daughter's school and church. And so we got to talking and quickly became good friends, and she decided to join my company. And I had been a stay-at-home mom for a couple of years when my daughter was first born, and it was really a pretty big shift in what I had been doing, and I remember feeling very lonely and isolated in those first couple of years. And having my Jordan Essentials business to fall back on was a nice way to really remind me to get out there and meet people. And then, of course, meeting Sarah has been a huge blessing because she and I have just really clicked and gotten along so well. We support each other and really have grown in our businesses and our friendships. And I'm just so grateful to have that in my life. So if you're interested in joining my team, I'm always looking to add people to my team. And it's definitely a business where you can work it a little or a lot. You can make a small time, a part-time, a full-time income. And that's the beauty of it. It is very flexible and allows you just to get whatever you want out of the business. But mostly I love the products. I have loved them for 17 years now, and the company itself continues to grow and maintain the high standards that I fell in love with at the beginning. So that is our plan and play date. And like I said, I will link Sarah's channel below and you can check her out, and definitely keep an eye out for some more videos. I will be sharing my office space and walkthrough, and Sarah has a little office redo as well, and there's just lots more fun things coming, and we'll both be doing an unboxing for the new spring and summer products in the Jordan Essentials catalog that just released, which is also very exciting. So thanks again for joining me. I hope wherever you are, you're staying healthy and safe and enjoying the day. I will look forward to seeing you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below, and I will see you then. Bye-bye.